Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Happy Valentine's! I hope you've loved all the new Valentine's drawings I've drawn recently and that they've inspired you to make something sweet and cute for someone you love. Since today or tomorrow is Valentine's Day, depending on where you live, I thought it would be a perfect time for me to color this free coloring page I recently added to my website at jawsticcute.com. So when you're done eating all your treats, remember to print this out and have some fun coloring. In case you're wondering, I'm using Crayola markers and color pencils too, of course, for the bear since it's a much bigger area and I didn't want to deal with too many streaks that you would get from markers. I like to use Crayola markers because they're inexpensive and they work perfectly fine for what I do. Nothing fancy. Most of all, I like them because they don't smear my Sharpie lines, and that is a huge plus. Before I go, I wanted to give some very special cuties a Valentine shout out for being so supportive and sweet. I mean, all of my cuties are amazing, but there are just some cuties that no matter what I draw, they show up and they comment and they offer encouragement and positivity, and I'm just so grateful for that. And it's pretty cool to see that some of these cuties have actually become pretty famous in the comments. So in no particular order, the first shout out goes to Noah C, then Reagan C, then Mishka, then Mira K, and then Shari D, and Georgia V, and Shrenika D, and Elixir X _, and last but not least, Dia S. Thank you so much, cuties, for being so loyal and so supportive. And I'm pretty sure I missed a lot of well-deserving cuties that deserve this shout out as well. And I'm really sorry if I did, and I hope I can make it up to you in another video. So thank you, cuties, for always leaving such positive comments and being so nice to each other, and of course for giving me so many requests and keeping me up to date. I'm really grateful. My cuties are so sweet and helpful, and happy Valentine's, and I wish you a day filled with sweets and love and cuteness, of course. See you soon with another video. Bye-bye.